I see there's a lot of confusion floating around about what YouTube actually considers AI slop or AI garbage or Neuro-Slop or low-quality synthetic content. I want to set the record straight from YouTube and Google's official policies. I am making this video because someone recently was trolling my channel, leaving comments claiming that because I use AI tools in my workflow and simulations and animations, my videos are nothing but AI slop and that my channel is going to get blacklisted. Let me tell you right now, that is 100% false. So today, I want to talk directly about YouTube's actual spam and monetization guidelines so you know the exact line between using AI as a power tool versus creating actual slop that gets penalized. Section 1. What YouTube actually defines as AI slop. Let's look at what YouTube actually penalizes under their official spam, deceptive practices, and mass production policy. YouTube specifically targets what they call automated or synthetic mass production. According to YouTube, content gets flagged when a channel uses automated tools to churn out high volumes of repetitive, low-effort videos with minimal variation. They explicitly define this as using the exact same repetitive background music and stock imagery across dozens of videos. Churning out generic scripts read by unnatural robotic voices with zero human editing or added insight. Scraping content off the web and running it through a generator without adding original commentary, educational value, or real-world perspectives. Notice what YouTube isn't saying. They're not saying AI tools are banned. They are saying low effort, generic mass production that provides zero value to the viewer is what gets penalized. Heck, even Google has AI tools and stuff and bot like Gemini or Google Flow where you can create all sorts of different material for videos. Not once they didn't say that those are banned because think about it. If those types of videos or tools, I should say, are banned, why would they go to the trouble to spend millions of dollars on data centers to have this type of capability? All right, it doesn't make sense. There is a massive difference between AI-assisted creation and AI-generated garbage. So let's move on. AI as a tool versus AI as a shortcut. There is a massive difference between AI-assisted creation and AI-generated garbage. I want to make sure you understand that. That's why I repeated myself. YouTube's product teams have repeatedly made it clear YouTube cares about originality, value, and authenticity. Okay, so if you take decades of real-world experience, in my case, corporate recruiting, headhunting, executive candidate evaluation, and consultation, and you leverage AI to help structure realistic interview simulations or script scenario outlines or animation or whatever that is in those videos that's original, that's not slop. That's using modern technology to deliver hyper-relevant, high-value training sessions to job seekers. The value doesn't come from pushing a button. The value comes from the domain expertise, the prompts, the live commentary, and the real-world strategy behind it. This is a how-to and educational channel. Section 3. The rules YouTube actually enforces. All right, now listen up. If you're a creator using AI in your workflow, here are the 3 actual rules that YouTube requires to stay 100% compliant. Number 1, Add original value. Your content must feature genuine human insight, expertise, or unique perspective that can be replicated by a generic prompt. Number 2, avoid template farming. Don't post 15 videos a day that all look, sound, and feel identical. Number 3, use the synthetic content disclosure. You know, that little AI button that appears on some of my videos. When you upload in YouTube Studio, check the disclosure box if your video uses altered or synthetic media that looks realistic. YouTube built that tool for transparency, not punishment. So, to the trolls that are dropping comments about channels getting blacklisted, do yourself a favor and actually read the policy. Save us all the time and trouble of making these type of videos to set the record straight. YouTube isn't blacklisting creators who use modern tools to bring the real expertise to their audience. They're cleaning up low-effort noise so high-value channels like mine can thrive. So if you're preparing for a high-stakes job interview or trying to navigate your career with real-world strategies, hit that subscribe button. We're going to keep using every single tool available to give you the unfair advantage in your job search. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.